We have reached 40,000 subscribers, over like super close to reaching it. And so now it's time for not only a huge thank you video, but also a giveaway. Hey y'all, welcome back to Grains and Grit. My name is Felicia. I teach all about real whole grains from a biblical perspective. Most likely you know if you are watching this video. So first of all, yes, I am coming off from being a little bit sick, so if my voice still sounds a little, you're not going crazy. I am still recovering from that. But y'all, we're here at like 40,000 subscribers. And I am so excited to finally reach this milestone. The last time I did one of these giveaway videos was actually whenever I reached 25,000 subscribers, which is about 10 months ago. And we have come very far just in that short amount of time. Since then, I've posted an additional 40 videos. We launched our Grains Explorer Challenge for 2024. I launched another course, if you haven't checked that out already, which by the way, another course is coming up soon. So you're definitely gonna wanna stay tuned for that one. We're hoping to be launching in October. I have been to Mexico since then. I have also visited my very first wheat farm. 4 Generations Organic Farms invited me up to Oklahoma to see their farm. So we have been quite busy here around here at Grains and Grit. It has been quite a journey. And I want to say, first of all, a huge, big thank you. So we'll get into the giveaway details in just a minute. But right now I want to focus not on me, but on you, because I would not be here without all of y'all, without your views, without subscribing, without commenting on my channel, for giving me all kinds of ideas for videos. This is all about you, and I'm here for y'all. I'm here to help y'all on your milling journey with your questions when it comes to grains, eating the way that God intended, all of those things and more. And so thank you so very much for being here, for believing in me. Thank you especially to those of you who are my grainies, part of my grainy bunch, who give me even additional support each and every month. And I love you guys so much. I literally have the best audience out there. I firmly believe that. Y'all have always been so gracious and so kind. And so I thank y'all so very much for being here. All right, now the part that I know you're here for, you're really here for the giveaway. I get it. But before we get into the details of the giveaway, there are some ground rules. There are some things that we need to establish first, because every time I do one of these giveaways, the spammers come out of the woodwork. So please know that there are going to be 2 giveaways. There are going to be 2 winners that we're going to be doing, and there is no money involved. You will not have to pay a dime, not for shipping, nothing. So if anyone reaches out to you saying to pay some money, that you're a winner, but pay this money to ship it out to you, that is not me. That is spam. Ignore them, block them. Do not engage with them. Okay, so now the actual giveaway. There are going to be 2 winners because we have 2 giveaways, and these are things that I actually have myself and I love, and thank you so much for these companies who have agreed to participate in this giveaway. So winner number 1 is actually going to receive the Teemars Sourdough Starter Kit, which I personally love and use for my sourdough starter. This is a wonderful little kit to get started. It also has like the silicone banneton basket and just other cool little things that to use for sourdough baking, or even if you're not into sourdough, that's fine. This is still a great little kit as well, but definitely great if you love maintaining those sourdough starters. And the winner number 2 is going to receive a package from Masienda. And this is basically a Nixtamal Starter Kit. So it's a starter kit to help you actually start nixtamalizing your own corn to make your own masa, whether it be for tortillas, for tamales, for whatever you need Nixtamal for. So this kit will include 4 different types of their corn that you can use to nixtamalize, and this is corn straight from Mexico, and it is organic and non-GMO. I love it. It is absolutely delicious, and you're gonna love it. You're also gonna receive a Victoria hand grind mill to allow you to mill that masa dough. You're also gonna receive a little baggie of the calcium lime, which you need to nixtamalize your corn. And then their book Masa, which is all about the techniques, the recipes, and reflections on a timeless staple by the Masienda founder. And it's an excellent book. It is so helpful when it comes to making my own tortillas, all things with Mexican and that masa dough. It has some great recipes, and it's a beautiful book. You're really gonna love that. So that's winner number 2. So winner number 1, Teemars Sourdough Kit. Winner number 2 will receive the Masienda Nixtamal Starter Kit. Now, in order to enter this giveaway, all you need to do is actually be subscribed to this channel, which I assume you already are. And then you also need to be subscribed to Teemars' YouTube channel and Masienda's YouTube channel as well. And also, if you have Instagram, be sure to follow Masienda on Instagram as well. Beautiful Instagram, and it's so inspirational. You're just gonna love it, and you just need to follow them. And all of these will be linked in the description box below. So again, be sure you're subscribed to me, to Teemars, and to Masienda here on YouTube. And you have to comment on this video. Comment what your favorite recipe is, your favorite grain is. Comment anything, because that's really where I pull the winners and check everything else. And then also be sure to like this video so more people can see it as well. And thank you. I mean, that's really all I have to say. I'm so excited about this giveaway. Do know when we hit 50,000 subscribers, we are doing a really big giveaway. I already have plans for that, and hopefully we will be hitting that in the near future. So again, thank y'all so very much for being here, for all of your views, for your comments, for your likes, for your subscribes, your follows, your emails, all the things. Y'all are absolutely amazing, and I'm thrilled to be here with y'all on your milling journey. Again, this giveaway closes Monday, September 16th. I will be drawing winners, and I will actually put in the description box below when this giveaway is officially closed. So there's no confusion there. I will announce winners on my community tab, as well as reply to the 2 winners on in the comments below. So good luck to all of y'all. I'm praying that whoever the winners are, that these are things that you will really love and are really wanting. And as always, y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on our normal Friday videos. Bye.